This when he kisses it?
Symbols.
Sit on it.
To read with his face.
Good. No, that's standing. You sit on it.
You want me to do it?
No.
Like that. Yeah, like
What
that.
character is that?
It's just a monkey. It's miraculously unbranded. It's the only thing in our house.
Coming through.
I don't know. It's getting to be about even.
Ook, ook. What does the monkey say, Miles?
No? You want to get off?
What's the monkey say? Want to kiss the monkey? Give the monkey a kiss?
It's like it's not the monkey's bedtime.
That's a good point. You just hug the monkey instead? I swear he's more responsive to commands when just me and him.